Okay. After you getting into Slack, you will get means you will able to see like this interface will looks like this. Okay. So here the menu you have to observe. So this is the menu. Mostly it is the channels menu. So mostly we are going to interact with the channels as well as direct messages. Okay. So what is the difference between channels and direct messages? So channel is nothing but we know that like WhatsApp group. So we can create a group. Okay. So inside that group we will add the same like WhatsApp only. Okay. We will add our employees. Okay. So if we make any communication in that inside that group, so the people who are available inside that group, they can only see that messages. Okay. And also coming to direct message means we can simply say that like single person to person, single person. Okay. One to one communication. Okay. Direct message means one to one communication. So here you will find your employees. So if you want to search an employee, so you can go and click on that add colleague. Okay. So invite to workspace or start direct message. If the employee is already available, so you have to opt for that send a direct message, and you have to search that employee with their mail ID. Okay. So like like this you will get the suggestion, you have to click on it. Okay. So like this you have to you can directly message any employee in our organization. Okay. So in our coming to you observe here, you will find in channels you will find the education website batch 2. So batch 2 is belongs to you. So education website is belongs to first batch. Okay. So it is general is nothing but the everyone who are available in organization you can able to see here. Okay. The people who are total we are having 13 members. Okay. So count. Okay. Like this. So this is simple. So here we are having some feature called some calling features. Okay. So voice, audio call, video calls, like that. For example, if you want to call any person, so I want to call Viplav. Okay. So I'm selecting the Viplav. Okay. So I have selected, and here you observe that you are able to see the name of the Viplav. Okay. So here we have to click on this. Okay. Huddle. So start huddle. When you hit it on this button, you will get means he will get the call from our side. Okay. So if he allows that he will get connected directly here. Okay. So after getting connected, so you can communicate either both like audio video. You can able to share your screen also, and also you can discuss anything, any task related things, anything. Okay. So from here, so like how we are discussing in your Google Meet, so here in Slack we have same like Google Meet. So in coming to Google Meet, we are inside Google Meet also we are having chat. Okay. So we are also making video communication, audio communication, right? So like same, so Slack is also one of the communicator. Okay. Clear? So more than this we cannot say any more than this. So this is the basic thing we have to understand, because this is the communicator like WhatsApp, Teams. Okay. Like this. Okay. So clear? You have any doubts in this?
Clear.
No, clear. Thank you. So if you have any doubts, you can communicate through the Slack. Okay. Right. Okay. Today we are going to start with media elements. Okay. Media elements. What are the media elements available in our HTML? Okay. So we have media elements like video, audio. Okay. iframe, like that. Okay. Media tags we have available in our HTML. Or media means nothing but which supports the elements which supports the audio video. Okay. Audio video, so we can call that as media tags. Okay. Media tags. So media tags are like we have in our HTML we have video tag is there. One video tag is one of the HTML element which supports to means insert any videos into our web page. Okay, insert any videos into our web page. Okay, so the video tag will supports formats like mp4. Okay, so mp4 like what are the formats available, avi, like that. Some video formats are there, no? So mostly we will see the mp4. Okay, so here I will go with the video tag. Okay, so I am taking video tag here. So video tag we can enter like this. So the video tag is having it will contains attribute, most common attribute called a source. So what is the use of source here? So source will says the video tag to pick pick any video from what means to give the information about the path of the video. So we are going to give information about the video to video tag through the source tag, source attribute. Okay, so if we have to provide a path of the video here. Okay, so this is the video tag. So for example I have a video here, one of the video here. Okay, so I am copying from here. Okay, I am copying from here. I'm going to workspace where it is available, physical workspace. I'm going to, if you want to go to your workspace. Okay, if you want to go to your workspace, so go to file. Okay, open workspace from file. Okay, so you have to click on this, so it will automatically opens your workspace. So you have to paste here. So if you want to paste any content from if you have copied any content from some other location, if you want to paste into your project folder from your editor, so from your editor itself. So if you want to go in that scenario, you want to go to the file and open workspace file. Okay, so this will opens the our project path. Okay, directly. So we have to paste here. So after pasting, I got my video here, right? So I'm giving the path of the video. So actually where the video is available, so the video is available where the index file is available, same in the same path the video also available. Okay, so that's why I'm giving I can give directly name of the video, right? So if it is available in some other folder, so I have to specify the folder name / that video name. Okay, so but here in this scenario I have video at the same path of the index file, right? So that's why I'm giving the name of the video file directly. Okay, this is the video. So I'm running my file in live session. So this is a video tag. Okay, this is the video tag. So observe here, I'm getting the video like this. Okay, so I'm getting very large screen, right? So now I want a video with a specific width and height. What I have to do, please, anyone? What I have to do? So I want my video in a specific width and height. What I have to do?
Use attributes like width and height.
Yeah. Right. Width is equal to, I'm taking example 350 pixel. Okay, so and height like 250 pixel. Sorry, 250 pixel. Okay, so I have given the width and height. Now we are going to observe our video. Now, okay, right? So we got our video, but we haven't find any we are not able to see any controls. Okay, and also we are not able to see any video playing, right? So just we are able to see the video, right? But it's not playing anything, so it's we are seeing idly. Okay, right? So if we want to make that video play, okay, so we have to add one attribute to that video tag. What is that attribute? Just simply observe here. So just I am adding simple attribute called controls. Okay, controls. Okay, what is that? Controls. So if you adding these controls, immediately all controls will get applied to that video. Okay, right? So in this way we can apply control. So just check and test that whether controls are working fine or not. Okay, so I'm clicking on play. Okay, my video is playing. pause. Okay, so I'm I'm playing, so I'm checking the video, audio. Okay, full screen. Okay, like this. Okay, clear. So video tag, this is the video tag. So we have, so this comes under media tag. Okay, this comes under media tag. Okay, so and also we can also give, so observe here, if any browser not supporting video tag, okay, this video tag is not supporting, how that user get how we can notify that user this video is not getting supported with that browser. So just we have to specify the message inside the, so this is opening tag, right, this is closing tag. So inside that video we have to provide some message. Okay, if the video not able to support by that if the video is not supporting by that browser, immediately this message will get displayed. Okay, immediately with this message, but nowadays every browser is getting supporting of that video tag. Okay, but in some cases, some browsers, some private browsers, they might not be support. Okay, in that scenario, in that case, so this message will get displays to that user. Okay, okay, clear. So this is the video tag in our, so media elements. Okay, media HTML media tags, one of the media tag is video. So and next what we are going to discuss, so next one more tag we are going to introduce, that is audio. Okay, we have discussed about video, and one more thing also, audio. It will also looks like same video only, that will also contains source attribute. Okay, that will also contain same source attribute. So I am going to provide one audio file. So for that I have to get some audio file. So I have some mp3s in my folder. Okay, wait, I'm getting some for mp3. Okay, so I'm getting some any video, any audio you like. Okay, just I'm getting some audio copied and I'm pasting in our workspace, and just it's open, and I'm pasting, control V pasting. Okay, it's pasted, but you will not able to see that. But if you want to see, you have to cancel this and observe here, you got mp3 into your project, right? Rightly here also I'm giving this name of the mp3 directly, because why I'm giving here, because so mp3 is available in the same path of the, so what is that, I'm taking f2. Okay, so I'm renaming to my song. Okay, my song. Okay, same thing I'm giving here, so my song, so I'm giving the my song mp3. Okay, so I have given the path of the mp3. Okay, and I'm going to test in our web page. So there it is. So here also you are not able to see any audio. Why? So because there is a coming to video, we can able to, there will be a video, means a picture, means we can see the video, right? So but audio we can listen, right? So initially we got a video like image, right? When we added some controls to that, then only we got the controls controls to our hand to control that video, right? Like that, similar to that video, we have to add attribute called controls to audio. Okay, controls to audio. So in that audio, so go and observe in a browser, so you will get like this. Okay, without controls, it is very important to add controls. Without controls, you can't control that video or audio tag. Okay, so you should provide the controls attribute. Okay, you should provide the controls attribute. Along with that, you should provide the path of the audio if it is audio tag, video if it is video tag. Okay, it like this. So I will test my tag. Okay, so it's playing or not. Okay, it's playing like this. Okay, you can insert your audios into your web page. This is the audio video. So one more thing, one more tag is there, media tag. If you want to integrate, if you want to embed, okay, if you want to embed anything from anywhere, so if it is not only videos, if you want to embed any PDF, if you want to embed any files, if you want to embed any website into your web. So I already discussed, I think so. So I may not or may, okay. I will tell you about one important tag. So we are going to use, maybe may or may not we use in our career. So what is that? iframe. So iframe is the tag, very hello. కొద్దిగా నేను సెషన్లో ఉన్నా, మీటింగ్లో ఉన్నా, కొద్దిగా మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so like our audio and video tag, we have one more tag, that is iframe. That is if you want to for example, here I am taking the video as here I am taking a scenario like I want to integrate my YouTube video into my web page. Okay, so YouTube video into my web page, this scenario currently I want to show you. So in that scenario I want to we are going to use iframe. Okay, we are going to use iframe, but we don't need to means type any iframe directly. So we will get that snippet from the YouTube itself. So how we will get that, I will show you. Okay, so I am going to YouTube. Okay, YouTube. So I'm choosing any of the, so one video from YouTube. Okay, I'm checking this video. So just what I am doing, so I am pausing. So I am pausing that. So you will find here one button called share. Okay, so you have, if you click on this, you will find embed. Okay, first option. So you have to choose, you will find embed option here. So you have to choose this embed option. Okay, so click on that embed option, you will get a code here. Okay, so find here what is that code, iframe only. Okay, so if you copy like this, you will get the proper code. Okay, so copy that. If you want to copy that, so just click on that copy. Okay, you will get copied a snippet code into your path, clip path. Okay, so go to your code and paste here. Okay, just paste here. So just paste here, leave what are the settings, means what are the properties, I will explain that. Get default with that iframe. So observe here, these are the attributes we get from the YouTube iframe. Okay, this is iframe. Okay, so iframe will have opening tag and closing tag. Okay, this is the closing tag. So up to here, this is the opening tag. Okay, sorry. Okay, yeah. So from here it is opening tag, it is closing tag. Okay, so observe here YouTube is providing some inbuilt, means that some attributes to that, right? So title is that we know that we observed in some other tags, like to provide title to that. So we are going to use title. Search is to provide the path of the video that to be fetched into your iframe. Okay, that you want to fetch into iframe. So you here also we are giving height and width. Okay, so frame border, if you want to border 1 2, so the border like so what is border, you will get to understand tomorrow. Okay, because I am going to enter into CSS. Okay, so in with CSS also we can able to give a border, and in with through attributes also we can also give border. Okay, so and this is allow, means it is saying that allow the, it is giving some properties to that. Okay, accelerometer, so autoplay, so clip rider, some it is saying that tag to allow. These are the functionalities you have to support. Okay, you have to allow. So means by this attribute iframe will understand what are the functionalities I am going to allow. So these are the attributes giving by the YouTube. Okay, so like, so allowing full screen, this what is the meaning, that in the terminology itself it's saying that it's that by this attribute the iframe will get understand that I have to allow full screen, so that user can make that video into full screen. Okay, so we can it's time to test on our browser. Okay, so time to test on browser. So go to your browser. So or else where it is, okay, here back, get back, get back. Okay, this is where it is. Okay, yeah, this is the video. So we got into our web page. Okay, so I'm playing here.
ఈ 10 ఏళ్ళు
Screen playing.
నియామకాలు చేపట్టకపోవడం వల్ల
Okay,
వయసు మీరి ఊరి
right, like this. If you want to control any controls from here, you can control. So like this, if you want to make into full screen, so I shown just before that allow full screen attribute, right? So due to that, iframe gets full screen. Iframe is
Hello?
yeah,
Sorry.
yeah.
Actually, it is redirect to YouTube link or only that particular link it is.
Sorry,
In,
Kumar, I haven't get you. Please, will
so
you repeat?
actually, you paste it in that your video link, right?
Yeah, I'm getting the wait, I'm opening the code. So where it is? Yeah, from here. Okay, yeah. So we are providing the path of the video, so that is getting from our YouTube. Okay, YouTube remote location.
Inside YouTube, that video
No,
location will share, right?
yeah, we are getting that video from YouTube, say YouTube location only, but that we are currently we are playing that video in our web page. So iframe is the very powerful frame, means the powerful element. We can integrate anything into our web page. So this is our web page, local web page. Okay, so by this iframe we cannot only integrate videos, we can also integrate some PDF files. Okay, some there is some more another approach is there, we can discuss in our upcoming sessions. Okay, definitely. But iframe is the, for example, so this is a media tag, this will comes under HTML media tag only. So iframe, so by that iframe we can integrate any, means we can embed, we can simply say that terminology we can sounds good, that is embed. Okay, we can embed anything into our web page.
Sure.
Yeah, if you are getting any videos from any remote location, iframe is better, best media tag to get any and to get any video from any remote location and fetch into your web page. If you are if you want to display any videos which are present in within your within your project folder, you can go with that video tag. Okay, so the videos which are present within our project, so if you want to display any videos which are present in within our project, so you can go with video tag. Okay, so but when you are going to display some videos which are from remote location, so iframe is the good media tag to display those kind of videos, those kind of stuff. Okay, right. These are the three media tags we have. Okay, these are the three media tags we have. So and next we are going to discuss about lists. Okay, what are the list, what is the list? I think before session I discussed about that lists, what are the lists available in our HTML page, HTML. So like OL,
No.
li, okay, data list, like that. So no, right.
no.
Okay,
No.
so in our web page, in day to day we are going to observe some, for example, I will show one thing. Okay, I will show one video. Right. So here you are seeing some Slack page, right? So here you are seeing some features. Observe this top section. Okay, so this is features, solutions, enterprise resource selects. So we are seeing here some menu. Okay, so how we are going to design menus. So okay, how we are going to design menus? Kumar, do you have any idea? So what are the tags we are going to use to design menus, menu items?
Like we are using selector label, select, inside select we have drop down.
So that is selection. That is selection tag. We are
This
going to
is
use.
drop down. Future we are using like drop down, right? Inside drop down.
Okay. In your point of view, that is maybe right. So actually, here observe. I'm going to inspect here. Okay, I'm inspecting here. In elements, observe here. So this is the nav bar. Okay, this is the nav bar. So this is the what? This is the element we have just inspected, right? So this is the solutions inspector where it is present. So it is present inside the nav bar. There is a UL inside the UL there is a list items. Okay, one list item is equal to, means one menu item is equal to one menu item is equal to one list item. Okay, so these list items are will present inside the another list. Okay, these are the another lists. So there are types of lists. I will we will just going to discuss about that. So but how we are going to design menus? So just we have to say that we have to keep remember that. So we are going to, we should use another list, not should, we can't say lot should, so terminologies, but majority they are going to use ul another list. Okay, another ul means another list. Okay, unorder list. Inside another list there will be some list items. Okay, each list item is equal to one menu item. Okay, menu item like home, about us, contact, like that. Okay, so similarly, so inside list item there will be a button, or else as per their requirement, some people will put buttons, some people will put anchor tags, some people will put span tags. So okay, based on their requirement functionality they will opt their tag as per their requirement. Okay, inside list, but up to list item it is common. Okay, so to make, there is a nav item, there will be a nav tag. There is a nav tag. So nav tag is in the terminology itself saying that it is a nav is nothing but navigation. Okay, navigation, the items which are going to work on functionality of navigation, we are going to put that items inside this navigation. What are that items? So another list, like another list, whether it may be another list. Okay, mostly another list only. Okay, so once it's not mandatory to take ul only, so sometimes we can take also other main also is there one tag. Okay, main tag also, inside that main tag we can also take list items. Okay, it's like that. So I will show. Okay, I will show you. Actually we have three types of lists. Okay, not only three types of DL, old type also, with along with that old type we have four types. Okay, so but first currently we are going to discuss about four latest one, three types. Okay, after that we are going to discuss about old one. Okay, so first one, majorly we are going to use this. Okay, what is that? UL, another list. Okay, so inside another list we will have list items. Okay, we will have list item. That another list will contain the list items. Okay, any there is no size limit. Okay, any more, any that the size may be anything, that may be anything based on the list. Okay, so this another list we are going to use in our menu items, or also inside our page also, to display some list. Okay, to display some list we are going to use if you want to display the songs list, if you are going to develop a mp3 website. Okay, mp3 website songs like Ghana, like Geo7, like that you are going to develop like that website. So similar to that website, so you are going to display you have to use the another list to display the playlist. If you want to display the playlist in the sequence 1 2 3 4, in that scenario, first I will tell about that order list. So first before going to discuss about order list, so we will discuss about the order list, how it is going to display in our web page. So we will see in our web page. Okay, first I am taking that, for example, home. Okay, I am taking home. Okay, so about, okay, contact, and one more thing, login. Okay, so just I'm taking four menu items, so inside the unordered list. Okay, so inside the unordered list. Okay, so I'm checking inside our page. There it is. So observe here, we got like this. Okay, this is the unordered list. So observe here, we are getting bullet points, right? Bullet. Observe here. Keep remember this. And next I am going to explain about order list. So you have to find the difference. Okay. So this is the bullets, right? So next I am going to take one more tag. What is that? So what is that? Order list. Okay. So I am coming out of the unordered list. Okay. So here I am going to type order list. Order list, OL, order list. Okay, OL, unordered list, order list. Order is nothing but sequence, right? Order is nothing but sequence. So simply there is no major difference. That will you will observe here. So I'm list items will be same. Okay, like this one, same items. Okay, I'm going to song one. Okay, so song one. Song 2, song 3, song 4. Okay. Now I am going to our page. Okay, observe here. So what is the difference? So for unordered list we are getting the bullet points. Okay, but coming to order list we are getting the 1, 2, 3. It is saying that list of these songs. Okay, there is no need of giving numbers here. So, okay, there is no need of, just we can see give just song. Okay, first song, second song, because it is already order list, right? So we are getting number to that in front of that. Okay, right? That's why we don't need first song, second song, third song, fourth song. Okay, like this. So to display any list, so okay, so to display any list we are going to use lists, like unordered list is there, order list is there. So how we are but here we are able to see, we are seeing that list items are getting like block level, right? So block level element, it is behaving like block level elements, right? Because it is getting one by one, right? One after one, right? Then how we are going to display these like this menu items? So how it is possible? So yeah, we will discuss in our when this HTML gets combines with CSS, it is possible. Okay, so at that time we will get possible to display like this. Okay, so CSS should plays very crucial role to design our pages. Okay, so without HTML there is no use of CSS. Okay, there is no work to CSS. You see, anywhere there is no HTML. Okay, you imagine, just imagine there is no HTML, but observe there is no work to CSS also. You cannot use anywhere without HTML. You cannot use any CSS anywhere. Okay, so CSS dependent of HTML only. Okay, observe, note it down. CSS is dependent of HTML. Okay, right? So you will get understand how we can design. We are going to design these this kind of approaches in our later sessions. Okay. Okay, so this is order list. Okay, so this is order list, and one more list I am going to introduce about. So that is like okay, before going to discuss that, I will show you one example. So I am going to Flipkart. Okay, Flipkart. So this is our Flipkart. Okay, so observe here what is this? Search bar, right? Search input box, right? This is input box, right? I'm right. So this is input box. When we are searching some product, okay, mobile, so we are getting some suggestions, right? Okay, suggestions, how it is possible. So there are different ways to make this functionality. There are different ways, but in our HTML there is a tag which behaves like this, okay, same like this. Okay, if you are typing something, if there is item inside that, it will get displayed to us same like this. We but in Flipkart there might be they have used some some JavaScript functionalities, or might be because when we are typing something, so that will get list from the database based on that. So this is different from our currently what we are going to discuss. But if you want to display like this suggestion box, okay, so there is a list, data list is there. There is a data list in our HTML page. You can also use that kind of that elements also, instead of that writing logic in our JavaScript. So we can also use this. So to get that approach, so this kind of approach, so when we are searching, we are getting some list of suggestions, okay, like that. So what is that? Data list. Okay, to use data list we need input box. Here also we need input box. Okay, so input, so instead of giving type, okay, instead of giving type, I'm going to give list. Okay, list. So here data list. Okay, data sorry, data list. Okay, this is the tag. So inside this data, so for this data list we have to give the id. Okay, so what is that id? I'm going to give the names. Okay, names. Okay, so I'm going to give the names. Okay, I'm going to give the names. Okay, this is the name. So inside this data list, okay, so okay, we have to provide the name of the id, what value we have provided to id. We have to copy this id and we have to provide to the list. Okay, list attribute. Okay. Okay, so observe here, you should not make mistake. You should give the name, what is the value you have provided to the id of data list. You should provide same value to the list, to the input box. Okay, okay, here don't confuse. Okay, you should give the same name to the list item. Okay, we have to provide. So inside data list we will have option. Okay, option. So here option you will not have, but in our select tag, select HTML tag, inside that select HTML tag we are it is also containing some options tags, right? Option element, right? So but comparing with these data list and that selection, so option, in this data list option will not have any closing tag, okay, so we have to provide just value to this. Okay, value to this. I'm providing Kiran. Okay, Kumar, Viplav. Okay, so I'm providing some names. Okay, so I'm giving 3 names. Okay, so go to your browser. Okay, go to your browser. So observe here, so I am we are able to see one input box here. So when we clicking on that, so we are able to see some drop down here. Observe here, so if you click on that, you will get list of that names, or else if you type name of that KIR. Okay, see here, same like whatever we observed on Flipkart. Okay, Flipkart. So okay, here we are seeing just basic level style, but when it is combines with our CSS, definitely we can able to display like this only. So we can display like this only. So what it covered all width of the input tag, right? The suggestion box, observe here, the suggestion box is covering the width of the input box. So this kind of approach we can do with the CSS. Okay, but here there is no CSS, that's why it's showing the default style. Okay, default style, this is the default style. So if you are typing, it is filtering, or else we can also choose from drop down button here. You can click on this, you will get the list of that. So you can choose the list of that. Okay,
I have one doubt here.
yeah, Kumar.
So you are using here every name it will use in optional. That while we are developing any application, so before we have to add that name in optional, right? Since the data list.
Yeah. But here we are practicing only HTML. That's where we are typing repeatedly, right? Option. But
That is the and
yeah. So it is coming from database only, right? You are, what is your doubt means, it is coming, it should be available in database, you are asking, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, definitely, definitely. But for our understand, I am taking here means hard coded names, but basically it will come from database only.
Yeah, directly we have give that Pojo class reference to here, right?
Yeah, yeah, right, right,
One.
right.
Okay.
So when we are searching here, so it will take that keyword. So we will put some events on that input box. Okay.
Yeah.
So that events takes that keyword and it will sends to that classes which are belongs to
Mm.
database where we are playing our database logic. So that will get this keyword will get sent to that classes. That classes will get do functionality based on that keyword. We will get some data and we will loop here. So we will loop and we will display here like this. It will happens
Okay.
backend immediately. So okay, in our upcoming sessions we will do some examples on this. Okay, definitely. So but currently we are taking hard coded data here, but basically it will come from the database only as per your doubt. Yeah, this is the data list we are going to use to make the input box with what we can say suggestion with along with suggestion tab. Okay. So this is the one kind of list. Okay, we are available, we have. So one more is there, that is old approach in our that is data list. Okay, DL data list is there. One more thing is there, that is what we are going to like, it will looks like this. What is that? Data list is there. So what is the tag? DL, data list. Okay, so data list, inside data list we have here how we have options. So inside that data list also we have some DT. Okay, DT. So DT, what is the DT? DT is nothing but terms, default terms, nothing but defined items, how we are calling list items. So like this DT. Okay, so DT is this. Okay, DT, sorry, DT. So for example, I'm giving here vegetables. Okay, vegetables. So okay, vegetables, below to that DT, so we will have DD, data. Okay, data tag, data. So what is the vegetables we have? For example, we have tomato. So tomato, what is that? Onions. So some vegetables. Okay, and also coming to some other data, DT. So fruits. Okay, below to that DT we have DD. Okay, we should put the DD tag. So observe here, I am putting the DT, below to that I am keeping the list of DD. Okay, again another category, fruits is the another category, below to that I am keeping DD. Okay, apple, sorry, PP, apple, orange. Okay, so some fruits. Okay, like this. How it is going to display in our web page? So it looks like this. Okay, so this is the vegetables. Inside means we are easily going to understand. So okay, these are the items comes under this. Okay, these are the items comes under this. If you want to make these kind of lists, so you it is you good to go with DL. Okay, so this is a old approach. So we are might be, but mostly we are using H1, H2, H3, and inside that we are going to use some list items, and we are going to use some CSS. So to give we are going to use some margin to left, and in that we can get the same approach. Okay, same approach. So by using CSS. Okay, without any CSS, if you want to display like this, so you can go with this DL tag. Okay, if you can go with this DL tag. So these are the lists available in our HTML. Okay, so next one more thing we are going to discuss about table. Okay, table is the most important, and we are going to use mostly. So not in my perspective, I have used so many times in my projects. Okay, that's why I'm telling the table. So display the list as like that. So in our Angular, so when we are going to work with along with material UI, okay, along with Angular, so we are going to use the tables mostly. Okay, we are going to use tables. Okay, next. So next one, what is that? So table. So table is I already told this comes under what type of element this is, whether it is block level or inline element. Yeah, Viplav, please, will you?
Inline element. It comes under inline elements.
Inline element. Table is inline element, right? Okay. As per your answer, I am trying to check in our browser. Okay. You have to tell what is whether it is inline or after output. Okay, not now. You already given your answer. You have already told your answer, right? So wait, just for wait. I'm preparing some tag. Okay. Small example. Okay, Kiran. Copy. So I'm taking the same table below to that. Okay. Okay, same table. Okay. So I'm going to check in our browser. So by looking this, please tell me what is this type kind. So okay, what kind of this
Block level. Block level.
block level, right? Okay. So thank you, Viplo. So this is block level, right? So okay, please give me 2 minutes. I got small call. సార్ వస్తే తీసుకొచ్చినావు అది వస్తున్నాను నేను ఒక 10 నిమిషాలు కూర్చో చాయ్ కాడ వస్తున్నాను. Hey, sorry for the delay. Okay, so okay, we are going to discuss about table. Okay, so leave it this. I'm removing the one table. Okay. So table means we know that a table is nothing but tabular form. In your schools you will find one timetable, right? So you will get so have you observed in your schools some timetables get sticked on your walls, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
So to prepare that kind of tables in our web page, so we are going to use table tags. Okay, insert table we will have tr the table rows. Okay, insert table also we will have table rows and columns. Okay, we table also divided into table columns and rows. Okay, rows and columns, that is also divided into two types. So what is that? So means that is table rows and table columns. You know that rows is nothing but horizontal view. We know that table rows. Okay, we can call for example we observe here. So I'm you are see here, observe here. So these are the products I'm able to see in one sequence, right? One side by side, right? So how we can consider this whole row as one row. Okay, we can consider this line as one row. Okay, so like that this is one row, this is one row. So in for these rows we have columns. This is one column. Okay, vertical sections we called as columns and horizontal sections we called as rows. So like that only in our table our table is divided into two sections, that is table rows and table column. That's where we are specifying with tr is nothing but table row. Inside the table row we are going to put our data. What is that data? Table data, td, table data. Okay, so for each row we have any number of table data. Okay, but coming to table, table will contain any more number of table rows. Okay, any more number of table rows, But coming to table data, inside table row will contain any number of table data. Okay, so for example, I want what I will explain you small example with epic pen. Okay. Okay, wait, epic pen. Wait, okay, epic pen. Okay, I got my epic pen here. Okay, so I'm clearing everything from here. Okay, what I'm doing means what I need means I need to create a table like this. Okay, I need table like this. So okay, I need headings like this. Okay, so I want to divide this table into one column. Okay, 3 columns. I want to divide this table into 3 columns. Okay, so so the first column, in these 3 columns, so first I already told just before. So vertical section we call as rows, and horizontal rows we call as rows, vertical sections we will call as columns. Okay, so this is one row. Okay, so this row I am going to take it as headings to put headings to tables. Okay, like what I am going to take, so inside this table, so I am going to take name. Okay, so name, okay, here I am going to use age. Okay, so age, mobile. Okay, so like this I want to prepare a table like this. Okay, so inside these names I want to prepare like Kiran. Okay, some 32. Okay, so here I'm going to take some 1999, some mobile number. Okay, like this, or how you do. Okay, so I want to take some 30. Okay, so I'm taking some number. Okay, so like this I want to take some data here like this. Okay, so I want to design a table inside inside our page. So like this. Okay, so to get this output, what we have to do. Okay, in our, what are the HTML tags we are going to use, so what kind of HTML we have to use. Okay, so I will tell you now. Okay, so first take this, first we are going to design this heading section. Okay, so inside table I already told you about that. So we are having rows, right? First row we are going to take as, so I'm going to take table data. Inside the table row we are having table data. So what approach we need? So we need some name, age, mobile. So for that I'm taking 3 data elements, table data elements. So I'm giving first as name. Okay, so second as age. Okay, third as mobile. Okay, mobile. So table row. Okay, so this is the table row which displays the headings. Okay, so next, what is next row? So next row, what is table row? TR. So inside this table row, so I need to put the data of the users. Okay, table data, same like what is the length of these headings, the data here also we should specify the same length of the data elements, table data elements. Okay, like we need three data table data section tags. Okay, so inside the row. Okay, so one row it will consider, you should consider that one row, this row equals to one user data. Okay, so this row which displays the headings of the table. Okay, so like this you have to repeat the users. Okay, the headings will be only, we have to provide once only, but coming to data it will change, depends on the users, right? I have taken 2 users. Okay, Kiran, right? So in first table data element, so we have to take the name first. What here I have given so name.
Name.
So that's why we have to provide the name of the user. So just it Kiran. Okay, so what is second? Age, right? So we have to give the 32. Okay, so what is the some mobile number? So like this just like this you have to give this same one more row, okay, below to that. So here row started, here row ended, right?
Right.
Inside that row we have some data, table data, right? So some one data is equal to one column, okay, one TD is equal to one column, okay. So inside the rows, when you have to imagine that if you want to design some table, you have to plan before only. So how many columns you want, how many rows you want, so means how many members are there. So like back actually coming to static page, we have to do everything hard coded, but coming to in our upcoming sessions we will work with when we are going to work with JavaScript, we will play some functionalities like loop conditions, okay. So currently we are taking hard coded data, right? So you do 30 some data, okay. So observe here, once again I am telling here it is our table, okay. So table is nothing but we will find, I already told you that in our school days we will find our timetables, right, in our which are sticked on our walls, right, classroom walls or office room sections, right. So like that if you want to put any tables in your web page, so there is a table tag is there inside our HTML. So by using the table tag we can able to develop our tables inside our web page. So inside table that will contains the rows and columns, okay. So table is divided into rows and columns, okay. One row is equal to one row will contain any number of columns, okay. One column is equal to one TD, means table data column is equal to one column, okay. Table data is equal to one column. Like that the table row will may contain there is no limit to that any number of columns, okay. So like this I have taken three columns, okay, three rows, okay. For one row is to display the headings, one row is two rows to display the data of the users, okay. So I am going to our web page, okay. I am going to web page, so it's looking like this, okay. This is the table, okay. Simply observe here, these are the headings, okay, these are the data, the first data, second data. So but it is without CSS, that's why it's looking like this, okay. So if you want to borders, if you want to get in means if you want to get look of a table, so there is one attribute to apply. So what is that? There is attribute to apply, so that is border, okay, border. There are many there are some more attributes are there, I will explain you one by one, okay. So first basically basic thing is border is the basic thing starts with. So border is the attribute which provides border to each rows and columns and table along with table, okay. So one, I am giving the one, providing one, we can provide one is the border, so that will applies border to the table like this, okay. Observe here, right, okay. So observe here, I am zooming here. So this border, whatever the border you are looking outside, okay, that is table, okay, table tag. So each border, inside border there is a column, right, each column is getting some border, right, data tag, right, it like this. So you will, it automatically applies by applying that attribute border is equal to 1, some what is happening back end. So if you inspect these, okay, observe here, if you inspect that observe here. So I am clicking on that border table, what is the table, okay. So you will observe that. So when I am giving border, automatically some borders, some CSS gets applied, right. So border top, border tab width, right, observe here, border top width, border bottom width, border left width, border right width, right. Automatically it gets applied to the columns and rows, what are the cells available inside that, okay. So we can consider this as cell, this as cell, this as cell, okay, this as cell, this as cell, right. So by providing the attribute border 1, automatically some CSS gets applied, right, some CSS is getting applied to that. So we call these CSS as default CSS, okay, default CSS by attributes, default CSS by applied by attribute, okay. So this is table, simple table, basic level table, okay. So, and one more thing we are going to discuss, that is what are the some more tags which are present inside table. This is basic level table. Okay, so we can also design table in another way also. So what is that? So table also containing how the HTML elements is containing the head, body, footer. So we can also develop table in that approach also. We can also develop table in same whatever sections available in our HTML head, body is there, no, like that also we have some more tags to table to design. So insert table is the major tag. Okay, main tag for tables. Okay, insert table there is a table tag called t head. Okay, t head means this is the tag which is going to take only headings. Okay, like just before we given first row, we taken that first row as to display the headings, second row, third row as to display the data, right, like that only. But coming here, so we have two more tags. I will give that t head. After head, what will have? Body, right, body, right. So t body. So below to the t body, what we will have? T footer. So table footer. So this is similar to our HTML syntax, right? This is similar to our HTML syntax. Okay, this is one approach. Inside these tags, we are going to specify the rows. Okay, rows. Okay, rows. Inside row, we are going to specify th, table head. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, so just I am taking the heading name. Okay, name. Okay, age. Okay, so call age, mobile. So this is the like inside body, we are going to specify the rows. Okay, so what is data of the users? Okay, data of the users like td. Okay, td just before we have done in our basic level HTML table. Okay, so td. Okay, Kiran. Okay, so redo. Okay, some number. Okay, same thing I am going to take it below to this some other data, some other user data. Okay, like this I am getting pasting some other. Okay, 3 to 4 data I am taking. So 3 to 4 rows I am taking. Okay, below to this footer I am taking some more data. So total some, if you want to add this, for example, if you consider this as not mobile number, salary. Okay, salary, if you consider this as salary. Okay, the last column. Okay, the last column as salary. So if you want to display any if you want, leave this empty. So okay, leave this empty. So but we have to take the same length of the table, because if you haven't take any length, if you skipped these two table data items, I will show you what will happen next. Okay, but currently I am taking the so I am taking two empty datas. Okay, so one is final total empty, some other value, so I am not adding, so but I am taking the some dumb data. Okay, if I am getting the total of these 3 sections. Okay, final 4 sections I am getting here. Okay, okay, observe here. So I have to provide the table border so that you can able to see the structure of table. Okay, border 1. Okay, so here observe here. So why I have left empty this table? So I am showing that total salary, I want to show the total salary, for example. Okay, in our footer I am going to use the footer here. Okay, in footer section, so total salary, okay, total salary. So like this, if you want to prepare like this list, so you can use. So this is also we are going to use. This is also one approach to use table. Without table, header, body, footer also we can create table, just before I showed, right? So basic level table, right? In that approach also you can take. Okay, so this approach also, right? Okay, without a table you can also use just before I have shown some basic level table, right? In that table you can also use these th tags also, table head tags. Okay, instead of using table data tags, just before I have used table data tags, right? Instead of that you can also use th also. In basic level table also you can also use this th table also. Okay, so these are the tags which belongs to table. So we are going to design this table in very very beautiful in our upcoming sessions with using with using css. Okay, we will do that in our css sessions, looking this table good. Okay, so colorful, we can simply say, to make colorful we will use the css in our upcoming sessions. Okay, this is the basic level tables. Okay, so without any css, these are the tables. Okay, this is a table tag we are going to use in our web applications to integrate any tables I mean, to display any data in the tabular form. In the tabular form, if you want to display any data in the tabular form, so you can use the tables. Okay, this is the table. So these are the tags. What are the tags we covered in this inside the table? Table head. Okay, table is the main tag. Inside that we covered table head. What is the use of table head? Means it will we can put our headings inside the table. Okay, table row, we know that it will divide the table into sections. So what is that sections? Table rows and columns. So what are the use of table head? Like same functionality like table td only, but we are going to use in head sections. Okay, if you want to specify the table, means to make that table understand these are the headings, you can use directly th. Okay, instead of using table heading, you can also use td also, no problem. Okay, you can also use table also, no problem. Okay, so th. Okay, right, like this. What next? What are the tags? Next to tag, we covered the table body. Okay, inside table body we are going to display the user data. Okay, table data. So that also divided into sections. What are the section? Table rows and columns. Okay, this is one td is equal to one column. Like that, based on the headings, the count, based on heading count, the data count will also should be same. Okay, because if you haven't give any if you skip any data here, so it will looks like this. I am skipping 2 tds here, so observe here, it means it's not looking good, right? It's we are able to see some empty space here, so we are not the user may not understand what is this. Okay, so that's why we should specify if you give data inside the table cell or not. So no worry, but you have to declare the table cell. Okay, table cell, definitely, if you give data inside that or not. Okay, so but in our upcoming classes, I will give the tasks. Okay, so in our tasks, okay, we are going to use table in different approaches. Okay, we are going to give I will give the task in our so definitely in these 2 to 3 days, definitely I will give, but today also I'm giving some task after this session. Okay, definitely you have to do. So because basic level tags, using basic level tags only, I will give this some scenario, you have to do that. Okay, so but this is the table footer. So what we covered, the inside table body, this is the table footer. To I'm here in this scenario I'm using this table footer as to display the total salary here. Okay, like this. So these are the tags we covered inside this table. So there are some more tags inside the table, so we will definitely cover in our upcoming sessions. Okay, next there is one more tag we have to know about that. So what is that? That is a picture tag. What is that? That is a picture tag. So picture 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 is nothing but, what is the picture? Okay,
Like image.
like image, which relates, which sounds the image, right? We will understand that the picture means image, right? So in HTML, what is the use of picture tag? So I'm going to tell you about that. Okay, so what is the use of picture? So to display different kind of images based on the image display sizes. Okay, based on display sizes, if you want to display different images based on images, if you want to display in desktop mode, it should display some Ganesh image. When it comes to medium screen, it should display Lakshmi image. If it comes to mobile width, it should display the Shiva. Okay, so like that, if you want to make that kind of scenario, means that kind of task to user to see, so we are going to use the picture. What is that? Picture is the tag we are going to use. Okay, hey, wait. Okay, how we are going to use? Okay, this is the picture. So inside picture we have some source tags. Okay, SOUR, see, source tags are there. So for source tag is there is no closing tag for source. Here also observe same data list, like say data list, there is no closing tag for source. Okay, there is no, we are providing the source of that particular image. Okay, so for this in this source tag, this source tag contains attribute called media. Okay, media. So observe here what the use of media here. So same like source, you observed coming in our previous sessions, we observed that src, right? Src, what is the sorry, not source, src is nothing but src we are going to attach, we have observed in so many places src, like to link our style sheets, to link our like this. Okay, so as media, but here in coming to media, so src is going to use to apply some styles. Okay, src is going to apply some styles. So one more I will explain about styles. Okay, before that I am going to explain about src set. Okay, this is the one attribute which gives the information to the picture about the picture, means simply we can say that source. We observed before examples, we observed the src. What is the use of src? It will use the, means we have to provide the path of the file or anything. Okay, we have to provide the path, right? So here same like source set also will do the same functionality. Okay, so for coming to picture, we are using source set, src set. Okay, for this we are providing some picture path. Okay, so for this I need 3 pictures here. So because I am going to display 3 pictures based on the image width, means based on the display width. Okay, first I am taking, coming to media, I told you that media tag will handle the style, means it will simply, I told that when you get into a css you will get understand about the media query, there we call it as media query. Okay, at the rate of media query. But coming to here in html, this is a attribute. Okay, that same, there is a, what is the functionality we are going to use in our css, same functionality will get applied here also, but we are using here media as a attribute. But coming to next coming in that css we are going to use in our style sheet. Okay, right, media. So media, observe here, don't think about this, I will let you know about what are the media, what is the width, minimum width, when we have to, in our css we will get know. Okay, so but just here observe, means here you have to understand the scenario, what is the use of picture. Okay, so just keep observation on picture. Okay, so I am giving the media as a minimum width, min width. Okay, min width 650 pixel. So I am telling that at the when the screen gets within the, means when the screen above the 650 pixel, so I want to display this picture. What is that picture? So I will get 3 pictures from my laptop. Okay, so where it is? Okay, here I have some project is there. So almost we have 7 more minutes. Okay, my project, what is that? Mula project. Okay, Mula project. So I am taking front end, src, assets, images. Okay, so I'm taking 2 to 3 images here. Okay, copying, I'm copying from there. If I want to put that images into my workspace, I have to open in file section, there will be a open workspace from file, you have to click on that, you will get one pop-up, just click on paste. So I already sorry not here, just click on paste. Okay, so that get pasted. Right here I got 3 images. Okay, 15, 16, 17 images, jpgs. Okay, pngs, sorry, pngs. Okay, so first what I'm doing, so 15.png, png, right, 15.png. okay, so 15.png. okay, 15.png. next, what is that? I'm going to insert what is minimum width, min width. Next screen, what is that? Min width up to 456 pixel. So I up to 456 pixel I want to display this image. What is that? 16.png, sorry, 16.png. okay, 16.png, source set is equal to 16.png. next, what is that? One more thing, minimum width. For this I'm not going to source set media width. okay, 16.png. I'm going to final default one. Now final one I'm not taking that source, I'm taking the image. okay, so what is that? I'm taking the default one. okay, what is the default image I want to display? 17.jpg, png. okay, png, 17.jpg instead of jpg, png. So I'm giving some information about that. So image, figures, images, pictures. okay, style. So some I am providing some style attribute. I will tell you about style attribute in our next sessions. okay, just observe here. So I'm taking width as auto. okay, so coming to in our page, so here I'm taking the, okay, so maybe not be, png is not supporting, right, maybe. okay, wait, I will convert it into jpg, png to jpg. Sorry, workspace here, pasting. src set to source set. okay, jpg. okay, might not be, it is not supporting by this. okay, it is overrated, updated. So okay, I will get you back with this picture tag because it is old one, but nowadays we are not going to use this, but some supporting issue. okay, some browser supporting issue might be. okay, so I will get you back with this. okay, so okay, but the functionality is same. okay, so if you want to display some picture in this is the desktop mode, right? If you when you inspect this, this is the medium screen. So in this medium screen some other picture will look. okay, so when we get into small screen some other picture will look. So but by default we will get display whatever the image we provided to the image tag. So this picture will get by default, means in desktop mode we will get able to see this picture. We will able to see this picture when we resize that into small. So we will get this picture 16. So after when we get into this small, then that means this is the medium screen, sorry, this is the medium screen. okay, we will get, when we get into medium screen we will able to see the this picture, we have to get this picture to display the user. So when we are in small screens, okay, 456 is small screen, so like mobile, so the user should display this image. Okay, there might be some browser support issue, I think. So I will sort it out and I will come back. So what is the problem we are facing to display that image? Okay, but by use of picture is this only. Okay, right. Okay, so any doubt here?
Yeah, no doubt, no doubt.
Oh, thank you. So okay, that's all for today. Okay, so if you have any doubts from today onwards, I'm going to upload videos in time. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can ping me on our Slack or you can ping me on WhatsApp. Okay, any. So have you have any doubts? No.
Actually, in another list, right? UL.
Yeah.
We have list inside the UL, right?
Inside the another list, UL
Each
inside list item.
each list is equals to menu, you said, right?
One list item is equal to one menu item. For example,
One
if
menu.
if we compare with menu item, okay, navigation bar. When we are going to compare with like this, for example, take here. So it is, if you consider this is a menu bar, right? So navigation bar. So this is the total one is the navigation nav bar. So inside that we will have UL, another list. Inside that we will have the item. So list item. So this is list item. This is list item. This is list item. Okay. List item, list item, list item. Okay, so how we are getting these things means we will get know in our advanced sections we will get know how we are getting. So this is through by using JavaScript, so we can able to do like this. So CSS also we can going to display some sub menus. Okay, these are the menu items. Inside that menu item there is sub menu items. Okay, like this. Okay, I will definitely make you understand in our upcoming session, but this is basic level HTML, so that's why I can't make you understand. Okay, but you will you have to imagine that. So this is the navigation bar, so which we going to design with nav bar, nav tag, nav tag. Inside nav tag we will have another list UL. So inside that we will have LI, list items. Each item is equal to one list item. Okay. So inside that list item we may use buttons or anchor text or span, anything as per our requirement. Okay, so observe here what they used here. So I am showing here, I am inspecting the electronics. Okay, I am inspecting the electrons, what here they are used. So whether it is anchor tag, span, or what they are used. So here observe they used span. So for this span they have some I think they might be wrote some JavaScript functionality. Okay, so to make work they might be use JavaScript functionality. Okay, right. Okay, right. Any doubt? Clear?
Yeah.
Thank you. So I will upload the videos, and already I uploaded some previous video, so go through that, and also today's video also I am going to upload now. Okay, definitely I will give you will get the access link to your mails, respective mails, official mails. Okay, check your official mails. Okay, so and once again I am going to remember you people that please as soon as possible fill that means sign that whatever offer letter you got, sign that and revert it back. So immediately I will send your credentials to log into our portal. Okay,
You said you will give task to them.
yeah, right. I am going to till next time I am going to that only. So okay, clear? It's clear?
Yeah.
Right.
Clear.
Next, so I will explain the task now. Okay, so please observe here, I am taking your notepad. Okay, so today's task where so I need, so okay, observe here, I need a picture. Okay, a picture. Okay, so beside to that picture I need some text. Okay, beside to the picture I need some text. Okay, so below to that I need a video. Okay, clear? I need a video. So below to that video I need a paragraph. Sorry. below to that I need a paragraph. Sorry, it is not expanding, that's why I am telling. So that I need some paragraph which is roughly 10 to 15 lines. Okay, any data, dummy data you can take. Okay, so okay. And also you also use here the video tag beside to that iframe tag, so whether it may be comes down or right to left right. Okay, there is no issue with alignment. Okay, alignment. So I need to cover whole tags. Okay, what is that? First I need one image. Okay, here.
Image. Okay.
So beside to that I need definitely here I need the arrangement. Beside to that only I need some text. Okay, text. So below to that I need some image as a video here, video tag. Beside to that iframe tag should be, so it should be some video, YouTube video. Okay, below to that I need some paragraph. Inside that paragraph you should what is that, take note the list of that. So you should display the mark. I should to see some text should be marked in yellow color, and some sentence should be striked off, and some sentence should be subscript, and means that whatever you are going to show in subscript, superscript, that must be numbers. Okay, numbers. Okay, so or else you can take name, you can take the subscript, superscript, but you have to show the subscript, superscript. Okay, so next, what is next? You have to show the some styling like emphasize, formatting tags is there, no? So by using emphasize, bold, italic, some like this, you have to cover almost what formatting tag, whatever the formatting tags you have idea. So you have to cover to display in paragraph. What, where, here inside this paragraph you have to whatever the content available in the paragraph, you can apply that formatting tags inside that. Okay, right? What just before I told what are the mark comes under formatting tag, right? Emphasize, right, to strike off, right, like that. So underline. So I have to see those elements inside the paragraph. So this is your task here. So any doubt here?
Beside the picture, we have to.
So I will give the I will give the naming also. I will give the naming also. So wait, you will understand. So this is sorry. So this is image. Clicking image. Okay. This is some para. This is also para, or else you can think anything. But I need some data here. So I am not specifying that data. I am specifying the data. Okay.
We can take dummy data. We can take dummy data. Right?
Yeah, dummy data, any data here. Okay. For that data you can take any. I am giving hint like if you want to make this alignment, means side by side, what element we have to take, you take that data.
Yeah.
That element, inside that element you have to put data. Okay. So below to this you have to use video tag. So video tag. Okay. So video tag. So this is also video with iframe. Okay, iframe. Okay. So below to this we need paragraph. So inside paragraph you should use formatting tags. Formatting tags. Formatting tags like formatting tags. So what are the formatting tags available for us? Like emphasize, okay, mark, okay. So emphasize, mark, strike. So you go through our sessions, okay, you will get more. So like this. Okay, this is your task. Please complete. If you have any doubts you can, but not after completing these. Okay, after completing task, when we are going to in tomorrow's session we will discuss about this. We will start session with this discussion and we will end with our some more tags. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Good night.